Welcome back. I am from just launched a new facial cleanser, which name is I am from Rice Whip Facial Cleanser. I've recently tried the I am from Rice Whip Facial Cleanser, available in both 30 ml and 150 milliliter sizes, and I am thoroughly impressed. This moisturizing facial cleanser, part of I'm from's iconic rice line, effectively removes sunscreen, impurities, ultrafine particles, and base makeup from the skin. The standout feature of this cleanser is its formulation with the iconic Yeoju rice ingredient. Utilizing freeze-thaw technology, it retains the rich nutrients of Yeoju rice, ensuring minimal destruction during the process. The result is a stretchy, dense foam lather that cleanses deeply while leaving the skin soft and hydrated. One of the major benefits of the Rice Whip Facial Cleanser is its inclusion of AHA, BHA, PHA, and LHA. These ingredients offer gentle exfoliation and sebum care, helping to improve overall skin texture. Additionally, the rice water cleansing benefits are remarkable, providing even and illuminated skin tone, enhanced skin elasticity, and rich nutrients. The cleanser's soft, creamy whipped cream texture transforms into rich foam upon contact with water. It balances cleansing power with moisture, thoroughly cleaning impurities from deep within the pores without drying the skin. Instead, it leaves my skin moisturized and glossy, thanks to the highly moisturizing Yeoju rice extract. This daily skin texture care cleanser smooths rough skin, removing dead skin cells and sebum with the help of rice bran extract and 4 types of acids. Despite its powerful cleansing abilities, it's gentle enough for sensitive skin, as proven by skin irritation tests. I appreciate its dual-use feature. For daily cleansing, a small amount creates enough foam to massage and rinse with lukewarm water. For special care, it works as a 1-minute quick wash-off mask, applied to a dry face and massaged with water before rinsing. Final thought. This cleanser is a new holy grail for me. Its moisturizing, gentle formula foams into a rich and dense bubble texture, leaving my skin feeling clean, soft, plump, and nourished without any dryness. It washes off easily and completely, and a little goes a long way, making it a long-lasting addition to my skincare routine. If you love I'm from's famous rice toner, you will definitely adore the Rice Whip Facial Cleanser.